Cardano has been one of the best performing cryptocurrencies this market cycle, and Cardano has had perhaps the most bullish dip I have ever seen for such a volatile cryptocurrency when Bitcoin has a correction. If you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. It'd be much appreciated if you could help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. So let's get into the video. Cardano is sitting at number 5 on CoinMarketCap, and I do believe it should be above Binance Coin. However, this historically is pretty good for Cardano. As we can see, 6 months ago, Cardano was sitting at around number 8 on CoinMarketCap at a price of only 15 cents. This basically tells us Cardano has done very well, and it has outperformed most of the cryptocurrencies so far this market cycle. So, I believe the dip that Cardano has recently had is perhaps one of the most bullish dips I've ever seen. The last video I did is a video on Chainlink and how Chainlink has had one of the most bearish dips I have ever seen. The Cardano is the direct opposite in this case. As we can see, Cardano was going really well and it was having a nice run up to the $2.50 range. However, Cardano did correct all the way down to $1, which is a 65% correction, and Cardano is currently sitting at 50% or so below its old prices at around $1.42. So, when I say this doesn't actually sound that good. Oh, Cardano is corrected by around 40 or so percent. However, if we take a look at what Cardano was doing, Cardano was trading in this sideways range for a period of around 100 or so days. It was trading sideways for around, I would say, 90 days. And then Cardano finally broke out. Fortunately, this breakout was at the exact same time Bitcoin started correcting. So if we take a look at what actually happened to Cardano, Cardano just went back down to its old levels and is even above its old levels. Cardano was always sitting below $1.40 and now it's just corrected back down to just above its old levels. If we take a macro look at this log, it doesn't actually look too bad for Cardano. Of course, we need to compare Cardano to the other coins to see how well Cardano is actually doing. If we take a look at Cardano versus Bitcoin, we can see Cardano is holding up right now. Generally, what happens is that when Bitcoin has a huge correction, the altcoins will have a bigger correction. However, Cardano's Bitcoin valuation is near its all-time highs. Cardano is a very volatile crypto, and honestly, I thought Cardano would get sold all the way off back down to this 0.000017 Bitcoin valuation mark. Regardless, Cardano remains way above its bull market support band, and Cardano is doing very, very well against Bitcoin. This is very shocking, and this is why I think this dip is so bullish for Cardano. As we can see, if we compare Cardano to Ethereum as well, Cardano is holding up against Ethereum. It's above its bull market support band and it hit a recent low but has already come up about 50 or so, 60 or so percent against Ethereum. So Cardano is doing very well against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Generally, Cardano is a smaller altcoin, so it would generally be doing quite badly against Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, right now, Cardano is holding very, very strong, and this makes me very bullish on the future of Cardano. Overall, if we compare Cardano's chart to Bitcoin's chart, it does look like there's starting to have a little bit of a disconnect between Bitcoin and some of the bigger altcoins. Cardano is holding up very strong despite Bitcoin falling. This is because a lot of people believe in Cardano. A lot of people love Cardano's deal with Africa and Ethiopia. A lot of people are really excited for smart contracts coming to Cardano in the next month or so, and a lot of developers are about to flood to Cardano, and it's going to become one of the biggest cryptocurrency projects in terms of transactions and fees generated by the protocol. So I do believe Cardano has a whole lot going for it, and we can see this in Cardano's chart. Bitcoin is looking very bearish on its chart. Bitcoin is looking like it's in a bear run, sitting below and closing below that 20-week support band. However, Cardano is looking like it's distinctly in a bull run. Cardano continues to go very well. If we take a look at 2018, we can see Cardano appreciated by 1,600% and then stayed above $1 for all of 3 days. This bull market cycle, Cardano got to $1 and it has been holding above $1 and it continues to trend even higher and higher. Back in 2017, Cardano didn't have much going for it. It didn't have smart contracts at all, and Charles Hoskinson was the only reason why people were buying it. However, right now, Cardano has made deals with entire countries, which is some of the biggest deals in cryptocurrency history, and Cardano is pushing a $50 billion coin market capitalization very easily. If you're ever worried about Cardano and you're worried about the gains that Cardano is delivering, take a look at the history. Back in December, and this is only 16 months ago, Cardano was around 15 cents. This was only a market cap of 4.7 billion. Right now, Cardano's market cap is sitting at 50 billion. Cardano has simply been one of the best performing coins this market cycle, and I don't believe there's any reason for that to change. I do think Cardano is going to continue to outperform most cryptocurrencies, and I am very bullish on Cardano. If Cardano continues to trend sideways, all I will do is I'll continue staking my Cardano, getting more and more Cardano, so then when Cardano eventually moves all the way up to the $5 range, I will have a lot. All we need to do is take a look at Cardano's previous trend. We can see Cardano traded sideways over here for 170 days. It's traded sideways again, and I really wouldn't be surprised if Cardano does something like this and just continues to go. Maybe not all the way up to $35 like I've drawn there. However, I do believe there is a lot more potential upside this bull market, and I think when Cardano corrects, it's not going to correct as much as it used to correct, and this is because Cardano is a lot more established right now, and a lot of people really do believe in this project. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. We only just hit 500 subscribers, and we are a relatively new channel trying to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, so it would be much appreciated if you could help me get there. Of course, if you have anything to say about Cardano or you want to comment anything in the comment section, it would be much appreciated, and I will respond to all of the comments. Thanks for watching the video.